Today, we are going to cook tomato eggs. It may look simple, but it takes some techniques to cook it well. Cut 3 tomatoes into big chunks. Beat 2 eggs lightly with a teaspoon of soy sauce. In a hot pan, fry the eggs until it is completely set and brown on the edges. Remove the eggs and set it aside. In the same pan, add the tomatoes and fry until you see the tomatoes start to release their juices. Add 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and half a bowl of water. Cover and cook for 2 minutes to soften the tomatoes. After 2 minutes, add some sugar to taste. You can also add some rice vinegar if you like it sour. I do not add salt as I find that the dish does not go well with too much salt. Return the eggs into the wok. Add some water if it is too dry. Finally, add some cornstarch solution to thicken the sauce. Enjoy!